Alright guys, it's me, Rizqi here. We're going to go Gardens by the Bay. Alright, I'm going there because of the Christmas Wonderland, so let's go. Alright, we are here at Gardens by the Bay, Christmas Wonderland, so let's go. Alright, this Gardens by the Bay Christmas Wonderland is until the 26th of December. So if you guys want to check it out, I'll leave the link in the description box down below. So yeah, check it out. So the tickets cost $10 on site, but you guys can get $2 off using the Klook link in the description box down below. Instead of you paying $10, you only need to pay $8. So use the link in the description box down below. Alright, so we are at the Gardens by the Bay right now, and we're waiting for the light show, which is at the main theatre. Experience of the snow.
I hate it.
It's snowing in Singapore, eh? Finish. The snow will finish. This event is happening at Gardens by the Bay. So the closest MRT line to Gardens by the Bay, it is the Bayfront MRT station. You guys can take the blue line or the Circle line. So I want to teach you guys how I do this. So if you guys want to learn how I do this, I will show you guys later on my computer. I'm going to teach you guys how I did this. So let's go. Okay, so first of all, I just drop in the picture that I took, I edited on my Lightroom. This is a teal and orange picture. Then after that, you need to make a new sequence. The frame size must be 1080 by 1920. Then I downloaded the green screen effect on the internet. Then I dropped it into my timeline. Then I go into the effect. I press Ultra key, put it on the preset over here. Take this dropper tool right over here. Then you press on the green part. And tada, the green screen has disappeared. So now what you are left to do is to play with the opacity. So I will just randomly just put onto 50%, and after that I download some music from the internet as well. I download a sound effect first. So this is the sound effect if you guys want to listen. So that is a sound effect. That is an Arctic wind that I downloaded from Epidemic Sound. And over here I download a song. I just use a song from a non-copyrighted song from Vlog No Copyright Sound. So I just add in the sound. And it turned out amazing. I really like how this turns out. The total length of my video is 17 seconds. But don't worry, Instagram will just loop it back. So yeah, that's it. So I'm gonna export it now. So usually I just export for Instagram. Usually I just go to H264. Then I just go to Matchshot's high bitrate. I'll just put the output name to my folder. You must also click on use maximum render quality and render at maximum depth. And yeah, pretty much it, you're done. Don't play around with the bitrate. Just leave it to 10 and ciao. So yeah, it's VBR1 pass. And yeah, that's it. Press export and you're done. If you guys have any question, please comment it down below. Thank you for watching till the end of the video. I'm Iman Rizqi, and I do this kind of video almost weekly. If you guys like this video, please give a thumbs up. And yeah, if you guys like that kind of stuff, please do click that subscribe button. And yeah, see you guys on my next video. Peace.